morning students, welcome to your maths class. How are you? Hope all are doing very well. Yes, today we will do new chapter. Yes, chapter number 2, addition. In third standard you had done addition with the 4-digit number, but in this class you will learn to add numbers with the 5-digit or 6 digits. Let's start chapter second chapter, addition. See, the numbers which are being added are called addend. It means suppose number 7 plus 9, then 7 and 9s are called addend. The next is answer of an addition operation is called sum. Then 7 plus 9 is 16. Then the number 16 is called sum and 7 and 9 are called addends. Let us discuss some steps while doing the addition of large number. You should follow this step. Firstly, write the numbers in the place value chart one below others. It means whatever the numbers are given being added, it means whatever the addends are given, you have to arrange them in a place value chart. The second step, digits at same place must be in the same column. It means I am giving an example. There are the two numbers 17,850 and 9,625. You have to add these two numbers. See, the 100 place digit is here 8 and here 6. It means 8 and 6 must be in the 100 place column. See, the next step, addition is done from right to left. It means we have to start addition from ones place, or you can say from the lower place to higher place. And next, carry over whenever the sum in a column exceeds 9. It means suppose in a one column the sum is 10, 15, 17, then we will keep it the very first digit, ones digit under that column, and the next digit will carry over to the next place. Let us discuss all these steps with an example. See example. Look at this example. Add 28,450 and 12,232. Our first step was, yes, we have to arrange the number in the place value chart and we have to make the column till 10,000. Why 10,000? Because the highest place is 10,000. See, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. See, what is the number? 28,450. And next number 12,232. This is our first step. We have to arrange the number in the place value chart. And next step was digit at the same place must be in the same column. It means, see, the place of 4 is 100 and here the place of 2 is 100. See, we are keeping it in the same column. And then addition is done from right to left. It means we have to start the addition from the ones place. These are the places. And what are these? Yes, The numbers being added are called addends. Now start addition. 0 and 2, 2. 5 and 3, 8. 4 and 2, 6. Now 8 and 2. Yes, 8 and 2 is 10. Now thousands column sum is exceeds 9. It means here we will write 0 under the thousand column and 1 carry over to 10,000 place. Then 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 1, 4. This is your answer, and answer is called, yes, answer of an addition operation is called sum. Let's start exercise 2.1, and its first question you have to do in book. And see the second question. Arrange the following numbers in columns and add them. Read the number. The first number is 74,281. The next number 23,725. See, have you observed? We have to make place value chart till which place? Yes, 10,000. First place is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Now our first step, we have to arrange the numbers in the place value chart. 74,281. The next number 23,725. We have to add them, and these numbers are called addends, and we have to start the addition from which place? Yes, ones. These are the places, and these are the addends. See, 1 and 5, 6. 8 and 2, 10. So I will write here 0 and 1 will be carried to 100 place. Then 1 and 2, 3. 3 and 7. It's again 10. I will write 0 here and 1 will be carry over to 1000 place. Then 1 and 4, 5. 5 and 3, 8. And now 7 and 2, 9. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This number is called sum, and your answer is 98,006. Now let's see the B part. The numbers are 21,356. Next 87,947. Next 14,313. Our first step, yes, we have to arrange the number in place value chart. The first number is 21,356. Next is 87,947. Next 14,313. These ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, these are places, and these numbers, yes, these are addends. Now start addition from which place? Ones. Very good. Now 6 and 7, 13. 13 and 3, 16. We will write here 6, and so 1 carry over to tens place. Now 1 and 5, 6, 6 and 4, 10, 10 and 1, 11. Then we will write 1 under the 10 columns and carry over 1 to the 100 place. Now then again 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 9, 13, 13 and 3, 16. We will write here 6 and carry over 1 to 1000 place. Then 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 7, 9, 9 and 4, 13. We will write here 3 and carry over 1 to the 10,000 place. Again 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 8, 11, and 11 and 1, 12. Now put commas according to places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Your answer will be 1,23,616. Now let us discuss the K part. The numbers are 35,620, then 9,037, next 1,65,924. And tell me, which is the highest place? Yes, lakh. It means we have to write the places till lakh. First ones, then tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and lakh. See the first number. The first number is 35,000. It means we have to write the first number from 10,000 place. 35,620. Or you can start the writing the number from the ones place also. The next is only the 9,000. You can write from here or you can start from the here. See 7, 3, 0, 9, 9,037. Then next number is 1,65,924. 4, 2, 9, 5, 6, 1. Now you have to add them. See 0, 7, 7, 7 and 4, 11. Now we will write here 1 and carry over 1 to tens place. Now 1 and 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6 and 2, 8. Next 6 and 6, 0, 6, 6 and 9, 15. We will write here, yes, 5 and carry over 1 to 1000 place. Now 1 and 5, 6, 6 and 9, 15, 15 and 5, 20. So we will write 0 here and carry over 2 to the 10,000 place. 2 and 3, 5, 5 and 6, 11. We will write here 1 and 1 carry over to the lakh place. 1 and 1, 2. See, this is your answer. Then answer is ones, tens, 100. The answer is 2,10,581. Let's discuss the L part. The numbers are 4,37,846 and 1,64,386, 3,54,671, and last 98,543. Firstly, we will columns according to place value chart. The highest place is lakh, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. See the first number. You can write the number from the ones place, or you can write the according to the number 4,37,846. It's up to you. Then see 6, 4, 8, 7, 3, 4. 4,37,846. Next is 6, 8, 3, 4, 6, 1. 1,64,386. Next is 1, 7, 6, 4, 5, 3. 3,54,671. Next is the 98,000. You can write from here, or you can start from the ones place. See 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. And these numbers are called addends. These are places, and you whatever you will get answered, that is called sum. Now 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 1, 13, 13 and 3, yes, 16. I will write here 6, and 1 will be carried to tens place. Next is 1 and 4, 5, 5 and 8, 13, 13 and 7, 20, 20 and 4, 24. We will write here 4, and 2 will be carried to 100 place column. Now 2 and 8, 10, 10 and 3, 13, 13 and 6, 19, 19 and 5, yes, again 24. 4 we will write here, and 2 will be carried in the 1000 place column. Then 2 and 7, 9, 9 and 4, 13, 13 and 4, 17, 17, 8, 25. We will write here 5, and 2 will be carry over to the 10,000 place. Then 2 and 3, 5, 5 and 6, 11, 11 and 5, 16, 16 and 9, 25. Then we will write here 5, and 2 will be carry. 2 and 4, 6, 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 3, 10. Now see what is your answer. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and this is the lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh 55,446. Yes students, question number second. I have done the 4 parts, A, B, K and L. Rest of the parts you have to do it yourself in your notebook. Now let's discuss the properties of addition. See the first property, adding 0 to a number. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is a number itself. Suppose 7 plus 0 equal to 7. See, when we add 0 to a number, the sum means its answer. The answer is number itself. And you can say the 243 plus 0, your answer is 243. You can take any number. 74,986 plus 0, your answer will be 74,986. See the second number property, adding 1 to a number, we will get the successor of the number. See how? Suppose the number is 48. When we add 1 to 48, we will get the 49. And what is the 49? It is the successor of the number 48. I am taking one number 420. Now add 1. What will you get? 421. And 421 is the successor of 420. It means when we add 1 to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. Now see the third property, order of numbers. What is it? If two numbers are added in any order, their sum remains the same. It means 7 plus 4. What is the answer? Their sum is 11. And you can add 4 plus 7. You will get the same answer. It means when we are going to add two numbers in any order, especially for the addition, their sum remains the same. Suppose 20 plus 40, you will get 60. Then 40 plus 20, you will get the same number, 60. Now see the fourth property, grouping of the numbers. What is it? When adding 3 or more numbers, the numbers can be grouped anyway. The sum remains same. It means, suppose I am taking the, firstly we will discuss for the small numbers. The numbers are 4 plus 7 plus 2. Just firstly add 4 plus 7, 11. Then 11 plus 2, 13. Or you can see 7 plus 2, 9. And 9 plus 4, 13. Or you can 4 plus 2, 6. Then 6 plus 7, 13. See, I am adding these three numbers in a three different ways. It means I am going to grouping in any way. Firstly I am adding 4 and 7, then add 2, answer is 13. Then 7 and 2, then 4, answer is 13. Then 4 and 2 and then 7, the answer is 13. In these three cases, your answer is 13. It means if 3 or more numbers are added in different groups, then their sums remain same in all cases.